everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on the river from the 10th to the 14th of April 2023 on Monday. Veronica realizes she's playing with fire. Charlie realizes that with the friends he's got, he doesn't need enemies on Tuesday. Charlie is forced to pick a side. A new enemy edges closer to getting back his money. Lindy will try to find proof that the people she's in bed with are the culprits on Wednesday. Bangizwe reaffirms the rules of his relationship with Lindiwe, and Veronica is in yet another deadly mess on Thursday. Veronica and Kedibone find themselves in a deadly situation while the Hlophe celebrates a big win on Friday. Bangizwe has some doubts that could make the Hlophe's lives difficult. Kedibone and Veronica are caught between a rock and a hard place. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.